Wanted to give a little bit of an update to a couple things that I saw this morning during the market. So first off is Tesla. Obviously, Tesla opened up very strong, so 655 to 672, an insane that was at the lowest point before the end of the day. It opened up at 682. That's a crazy, or I guess it opened up at 694. What an insane open. So the point of control is actually still up here at 690. Tesla had a huge sell off towards the end of the day. So really, it went from 690 and it is currently at 668. That's at 667 actually. So I think that it was moving off of Kathy Wood's price target of $4,000 by 2025. And with stimulus checks just coming out, I think that a lot of new investors kind of rushed into it to get it because it sounds amazing. But in reality, it's 4 years away. We're not going to have these huge surges anytime soon. On the daily chart, it is in an Elliott wave, and so we should, this is kind of resetting the Elliott wave. This is 0.5, and so this one should be the last dip before it starts ripping again. That being said, I think that this is going to consolidate a little bit longer, and I think that 700 is just a huge number for it to cross. It was a little bit of overvalued over that point. I'm surprised it lasted that long, being $200 over this point. And so you can see here it bounced perfectly off the 180. It's a little bit of an inverse cup and handle, but I don't think that we're done with this number here. So between 600 and 650, I think this is a very sweet spot for Tesla. So I'm really not going to be going long on Tesla anytime soon. I will day trade it. That's about it. So moving on, we had Jerome Powell speak this morning. He spoke about Bitcoin, and he did say that it is a replacement for gold, but he also said that it's just not a safe investment. It's too volatile. That being said, he is speaking again tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern, and then on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern. And so tomorrow he's going to be speaking about the COVID aid relief, and he's going to be doing that in front of the finance services. On Wednesday, he's going to be speaking about banking, housing, and urban affairs. So we should have a flat market tomorrow up until around 12. So don't jump into anything too early. It's a great time to sit on cash and just it's a great week to sit on cash and just kind of watch how things play out. If you're new to day trading, the market doesn't always react to news the way that it has been the last year. So just kind of sit back, see how his speeches can directly affect the market that you're trading. On Wednesday, we should open up pretty flat, and then volatility will pick up around 10 a.m. At that point, we will shift our focus to banks most likely. So I know that Wells Fargo actually had a ton of open interest opened up today in options. They were April 16th, $40 and $45 calls. So with housing, banking, and urban affairs on deck to be talked about, this is naturally where our focus is going to be going. So we want to look at REITs and we want to look at banks. These are going to be the stocks to watch. So again, sit on your hands and just kind of watch the market if you're not comfortable trading it. We're going to be flat for the most part, I would assume, pretty low volume, just like we were today. And then on Wednesday, we'll kind of start to take a look at JPM, BAC, WFC. Just wanted to give a little bit of the end of the market day recap, and then going forward for the rest of the week, just kind of let you be aware of where we're